Hey everyone, it's a question from rational numbers. The question is, which of the rational numbers, and here we have four rational numbers, is the smallest one? And we have four options. Whenever you see this type of question where they are asking you to find the smallest or the greatest, or they're asking you to arrange in ascending or descending order, the best way is make sure that the denominator is same. In this case it's not same. We have 16, 24, minus 4, minus 12. So what we will do here is we will make the denominator same by finding the LCM, least common multiple of these numbers. So we'll find the equivalent rational number of this given rational numbers. So let's find the LCM, these least common multiples. So I'm using a ladder method. I'll take all the numbers together. We have 16, 24, ignore the negative sign, just take the number, and then we have 12. Now all these numbers are divisible by 4. You can take, but we are using a prime factorization, so you just let's go with 2. So 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12. Again they are divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. We have 4, so 2 2s are 4, and then 6 is there, so 2 3s are 6. Then we have 1, write that in next step, and 3 is not divisible, so we'll write that in next step. Again we have 2, so 2 1s are, and then we have 3, it's not divisible, so write that in next step. Now we have 3, so 3 1s are 3. That's it, we have 1 at the end, so stop there, multiply these numbers. So LCM of 16, 24, 4 and 12 is, we have 2 4 times, and we have 1 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So we get 48 here. Now we have to find the equivalent rational number of this four rational numbers such a way that we get 48 in the denominator. So let's do that. We have minus 5 by 16. So this is equals to, we want 48 in the denominator. So what we will do, we will multiply 16 by a number so that we get 48. 16 3s are 48, so multiply 3 in the numerator. So when you're finding the equivalent rational number, the number which you're multiplying, like in this case this is specific case because we want 48, therefore we're multiplying it by 3. So multiply 3 in the numerator too. Now minus 5 times 3 is minus 15. Next we have minus 13 by 24. So this is equals to, we have 24 in the denominator, we want 48 here. So 24 2s are 48, so multiply the numerator by 2. 13 2s are 26, but we have minus sign, so we'll put minus sign there, so we get minus 26. Next we have 3 by minus 4. So this minus sign, you can write this in the numerator because the whole number is a negative, right? So you can put this in the numerator, or you can just put it here, it doesn't affect here. So we have 4. Let's put minus sign in the numerator. Now why I'm saying to put minus sign in the numerator, because just to avoid confusion, anyway the value of the number is not changing here, the whole number is negative. So it doesn't matter where you put the negative sign, but the whole number is negative. So we have minus 3 here, and we want 48. 4 12s are 48, so multiply numerator and denominator by 12. Now 3 12s are 36, so we get 36 by 48, minus 36 by 48. Last number we have is 7 by minus 12. Again we have negative sign, so what we'll do, we'll put that in the numerator, so we'll take minus 7 and here 12. We want 48. 12 4s are 48, so multiply the numerator and denominator by 4. 7 4s are 28, so we get minus 28 by 48. Now we want the smallest number, so all the denominators are 40, it's same, it's 48. We have to look at the numerator, which one is the smallest here. All the numerators are negative, so the smallest one is a 1 with the greater number. So here the greatest number here is 36, and it's negative. So when you're comparing the negative numbers, the number which is greater with the negative sign will be the least one, that will be the smallest one. So when you arrange this, you will get like minus 36 is less than minus 28 is less than minus 26 is less than minus 15. So when you locate this on number line, the far the number is from the zero, I'm talking about the negative numbers, if the number is very far from the zero, that will be the smallest one. So if you compare here minus 36, minus 28, minus 26 and minus 15, minus 36 is very far from zero as compared to the other numbers, so this is the smallest one. This means minus 36 by 48 is the smallest one, but this is the equivalent rational number of 3 by minus 4. Therefore, 3 by minus 4, which is option C, is the correct answer. I hope this question is clear. In case you have any question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much.